Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to book cab in Uber app and pay by cash. So let's get into the video. So what you're going to do, firstly open up Uber and then log into your account. So if you have a phone number, you can just create an account and log into it. So once you're done, so what you're going to do now is simply hit on this where to option, and then here you're going to type in your pickup address or leave it as it is if you're using a default location, or else you can hit on select your pickup location and then type in your drop-off location. So type all those in, and then what you're going to do, so simply click on search. So now this will give you the options that you can choose, so which vehicle type that you wish to, and then the rates for different options. So all you have to do is just simply select the one that best suits you, and underneath you will see an option called here, this is the payment option. So you just have to click on it, click on the arrow, and you will have different payment options here. So if you want to use cash, simply select the cash option. So once you select the cash option, so you can see now this is displayed as cash, so you can just pay with cash after once you have completed your trip. So simply hit on any ride and then click on confirm, and that's it. Uber will look for a driver, and then once the driver accepts your journey, then that's it. You just have to wait for your cab and then complete your journey. So once you have completed your journey, you can just pay them with cash, since you have already selected cash as the payment method. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.